OMG guys, we moved. I am so excited and we are going to take you on a tour of our home. Right here we are on our way to our closing. We had a closing delay 4 times. So right now I am so rushed that I'm literally putting my makeup on in the car. But for a background story guys, I just wanted to tell you that we had a home in PA. And it was too large and we had so much snow and we were just over all of the snow. As you see, I'm here signing my life away again. We were renting for 2 years during COVID. It drove us crazy, guys. But we didn't want to be in the north. We moved to the south and we were just over shoveling all that snow in the mountains in PA. We would get 2 to 3 feet sometimes. And we had a driveway that was 223 feet long. We had an acre and a half of land and a lot of house. So we're super excited now, guys, that we don't have to do any more shoveling snow. We don't have to cut grass. We downsized to an adorable colonial style townhouse. It looks sort of like the home we were in. As you can see, it has a beautiful transom window, and yeah, you're gonna see a lot of blue tape. As you know, when you get a house built, you have a final walkthrough, but sometimes they're not able to get everything done. But this is our coat closet. We have a lot of storage space in this townhome. Even though it's a townhome, it has a lot of storage and it's a little bit large for a townhome. It's right under 2,000 square feet, so I'm loving it. We did downsize, but guys, not that much. So here is our kitchen, and this is going to be the dining room space, and I love intimate dinner parties. So I know a lot of people don't have formal dining rooms. I love a formal dining room. I don't entertain much, but when I do, it's always a nice dinner party. What we did was we went ahead and upgraded with some more can lights, and I made sure that I got one put in the center, and that way I can go ahead and add in a chandelier. You know, you want to really make your house a home, and that's why I definitely added in an extra can light right in the middle for setting up my dining room later. You got to really think ahead when you're building. And guys, the building process for a new home, oh Lord, the construction. If you want me to do a video on that, I can. I recorded everything. Okay. So this right here, they have tankless water heating now, so that's what we have. And so those are just shut off on for water. I can probably use that as a utility closet because I have a coat closet. They also gave me another closet that I have the modem and router in that will never get used, so it's just extra space. I can probably put another shelf in here and have another pantry. Like I said, I love the storage in this home. Now for this door, which is the fourth door. This is the actual pantry. It's a walk-in pantry, guys. I absolutely love it. And I can see myself putting in more shelves if they're needed. I'm not saying I would because we're empty nesting, which is why we downsize. So in the meantime, however, guys, if I really want to, I could have that option. I'm just loving the storage. When you're renting, you don't have a lot of storage, and I missed that from when we were living in our own home. So I can definitely add more down, either lower or higher. So moving on to the last door, it's actually not storage space or a pantry or a closet, but it's actually the powder room. And it's the powder room that's shaped like an L. I know with pedestal sinks, you never have the storage you need, but I'm still happy because I can go ahead the way this is shaped, and I can put some floating shelves over the commode, and it will take care of any storage issues, or maybe even closed cabinets so you don't even have to see what's in them. So I'll probably go ahead and maybe change out some of the builder grade items in here, and that would be a nice little project that we can do together. Now here is my lovely kitchen, guys. I love this island. Oh my God, it's literally 10 feet 6 inches long. I can literally go to sleep on this island. We upgraded from the regular, what do you call it, granite to the quartz. So I'm loving the quartz. It's really pretty. It has a really nice aesthetic, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And there you can see all of those doors. I call it the wall of doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the kitchen, I didn't choose to go with one of those farmhouse sinks. We have one of those, but I found it a little bit inconvenient when you do a lot of cooking and prepping every day and you want to be in there with someone else. So I like the 2 bowls. This came with the house, so I might keep it. I like it. But if I change out the hardware to a different color, then I'll probably change that faucet out too. I do love the pull-out drawers. That's not an upgrade. It came with everything, and I love, love, love the large pot drawers that you pull out so you don't have to get down and dig all for your pots and cookery. So I absolutely love that, and I am so stoked about being in my new home. They also gave us a garbage disposal. I didn't even ask for that. They just threw that in there, but this builder is awesome. And this is an appliance that they also gave. I didn't upgrade. It just came with 3 shelves. I love it so much. I'm like, why would I upgrade? It's perfect. Save me some coin and have a fabulous dishwasher. Yeah, I'll take it. Now for the fridge, they actually gave us this also. Oh my goodness. I am like, yes, I'll take it. Free again. Free. Free, 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 free. Yes. I don't know why that's blinking, but yeah. So they had the upgrade where you can get, I think it was like French door, and then they also have the freezer on the bottom, and I just stuck with this because I think it's absolutely gorgeous and I like it the way it is. So yeah, I kept that. Microwave, of course, was free. The range was an upgrade. But yeah, I know there's more blue tape. Once again, new construction, you're going to see that, and they'll come and correct that later. So for the range, they had just electric. I wanted gas. They also had the wall ovens where you get the microwave and the oven beneath it, and then you give your cooktop. But I chose to get the range because the wall oven for this builder, it was really tiny, and even though it's just us 2, I have a huge family and I moved closer to more family, so I needed a bigger oven for when we do cook and invite people over. And I also love the molding that they put on top of the cabinets. And the cabinets are the 42-inch cabinets, which I absolutely love. You have to literally get on a ladder to use them. And I love the large drawers for utensils, where you can really get all of your utensils in there, all of your cutlery in there. So really nice. Now this room, oh my God, guys, it doesn't look as big as what it actually is. This room is huge. Oh my God. It's so big, it's just not looking like it on camera, that I'm gonna have some of it as a living room and then maybe another portion of it as like a nice little entertainment space for my hubby. So now we're gonna go back through the kitchen and I will take you upstairs and show you the rest of the empty home tour, which I'm so excited about, guys. I'm telling you, really happy. So we did decide to go with the hardwood stairs instead of the carpet. It's very expensive to do treads later, so we definitely wanted to go with that. I love the fact that they have a landing so you don't have to go straight up all of those stairs. First to the right is a linen closet. I'm thinking about adding another shelf in there immediately because we have a lot of linens. and towels and such. These two rooms are right next to each other on the other side of the home. This one is the smallest one in particular. I will definitely be using this as an office because guys, I do work from home, and yeah, this will be perfect. It'll be far away from everything. It's small, it's cozy, it's like 10 by 11. Perfect for our office. And I have to edit my videos for you guys too, so I'm going to be doing my YouTube videos from there also when I'm not working. You guys know work has been off the chain lately, but I love, you know, my job and what I do. So moving on, here is a guest bedroom. Of course, you do see a little bit of construction still going on here. They have to replace one of the baseboards, so that's what that green tape is there, and that's why this looks like this. But this would be the guest bedroom. Perfect for when someone comes to visit and they'll have a place to stay. So that's what this is, and that wood there is the wood they'll be replacing it with. Now moving out of the guest bedroom, there is a guest bath for anyone that needs to use it. It's basically right when you come up the landing for the hallway. Perfect for guests. And we also have a laundry room. Now guys, believe it or not, they gave us all of the items you see in here. OMG, they gave us the washer and dryer and the utility sink. And if you are new to my channel, I do a lot of DIYs, furniture upcycling and crafting. So the utility sink is perfect for me. Now this dryer and washer are large capacity. They don't even have the piece in the middle. I don't know what it's called. I think it's the agitator. So I don't have to worry about doing large blankets and coverlets and everything. They can all fit in there. Perfect for me. And the washing machine also is like an energy efficient one where it actually weighs how much is in there and then it adds the water. Oh my God, it's amazing, guys. So this is my room, the owner's suite. We have a blow-up bed in here because we're using that for tonight. We're just spending one night after the closing because we have to go back tomorrow in the morning and move in all of our stuff. So excuse that, guys. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I love the size of the room. It looks smaller, like I said, on camera than it actually does. Maybe it's camera the way I have it. That is our master closet. And this is the master bath or owner's bath. But before we go there, I just want to give you guys a peek in my backyard. It's fenced completely. We have a patio they gave us and the privacy fences. And it's all the yard I need, and that is our 2-car garage that I'm pointing at. We have a courtyard and then a garage behind it. Now here is the bathroom. Yay! We had a smaller bathroom and we didn't have a separate tub and shower. Those are things I had to have. I am a bath girl. I don't know if you guys are. A lot of people are getting away from that, but I have to get in the bathtub, and it gives me a place of rejuvenation and respite, and I can relax. We also have double sinks. If we didn't have double sinks, we would probably be getting a divorce. So there's plenty of drawers for storage, which I love, and my hubby got his shower. It's one of those larger showers with the built-in seat. Guys, he loves this thing. It is pretty awesome, I have to say. He's just going to change out the shower head and do a couple of other things. But we're going to be doing some upgrades and decor and changing up things in the home. So that's basically it, the full new house tour. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for being patient when I wasn't able to do a lot of content creating for my old subbies. I love you guys. For the new subscribers that came on since I haven't been creating, I just want to welcome you. I appreciate you for joining my channel and being a part of the family. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching to the end. I love you and thank you all for watching.